Good evening, judges. My name is Payas, and for this project, we aim to extensively study and analyze the data that was given to us and to be able to draw significant correlations and understand the pattern and the trends in the automotive market better. Now, for the front end, we are using HTML, CSS, Jupyter Notebook at the back end, and that helps us to generate the data analytics using the Pythonic libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly to execute exploratory data analysis. We also use MySQL and Power BI as well. So here we have the various graphs that are made using Power BI, and they explain the different features of the car models. These are interactive graphs that can change according to the filters that are being applied here. Then we have a graph for the most number of units sold. So we had to gather data from the internet about the various car manufacturers and their month-wise the number of units that are sold. So here we have the data, for example, for Maruti Suzuki, and the pink line here represents the market share of the various companies. So, for example, Hyundai has a 15% share in the Indian market. Again, you can easily use the slicer to be able to understand the graph better. For the third graph, we have the most popular car specifications. So we again gathered the data for the top 20 most sold car models that are available in the market. So here we have all the models, and these are the top most models with these many number of units that are sold in the Indian market. So we tried to gather data using exploratory data analysis and using the graphs to be able to understand what are the most popular car combinations and specifications, and using that along with the EDA and the clustering, we are able to say that these are the most popular car features that are available in the Indian market, because obviously these are the cars that are most sold. So they have to be the most popular ones as well. Here we have their pricing as well, a histogram for the pricing. Then we have our the consumer trends and purchase intentions. Here we have used the data from the internet to tell about a customer segment who are willing to buy the cars, purchase them virtually. Okay, so now moving on to the exploratory data analysis. Here we have the findings from our Jupyter notebook, and here is the data analysis. Again, this is a very basic data analysis. Further on, which is carried on by clustering and other more complex algorithms. So here we have, for example, use the clustering. We can see the clusters very easily. The clusters are easily separated, and so we can derive relationships about, for example, price and power here. The findings are written here as well. And similarly, other graphs are drawn, and exploratory data analysis is used to determine the various relationships among the variables. Here we have Pearson's correlation matrix, and here we have the findings from the matrix, and we have found the positively related and the negatively related variables. Then we have again the data on the most sold units of cars. Again, basic data analysis. Here we have clustering. So we have used k-means clustering to be able to plot our graphs. Here we have to try to find the average prices for each cluster, the number of cars in each cluster, the car body types in each cluster. And here we have the various graphs. For example, we have power versus price, and here we can see easily the clusters that are separated here in blue and white and black and pink. Next, we have similar clusters and graphs. And so here we try to find out the relationships between them. And with that, our project comes to an end. Hope you like it.